Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline. We're out of the shop today because we just completed another Model 3 with a whole bunch of customizations and a lot of firsts for us. So let's start with the exterior. 2021 Model 3 black, super cool, my favorite color. As you guys know, no more chrome anymore. The car already comes chrome deleted by Tesla, so we're probably gonna stop talking about that for a while. And we still, though, have a lot that we can do to the exterior of this car to make it extra sporty. Starting off with a very simple and very affordable accessory, our carbon fiber side mirror caps. They come in a gloss finish, as you can see here, and also in a matte finish. Either way, they look great. I prefer the gloss. I just think it enhances the carbon fiber visually so much more. And now let's just get right into the wheels. Our brand new TS5 20 by 8.5 inch front and rear setup here, designed to be used with the exact 20-inch tire that Tesla offers. Now, this is not a performance car, so this car did not come with 20-inch wheels. It actually came with 19-inch wheels, but we swapped them out. Gloss black finish to match the exterior paint, 20 by 8.5 front and rear, a really super cool, very clean look. Love to hear your comments on that. Do you think you should have gone with our satin black wheels to tie in with the chrome delete, or do you prefer the gloss wheels to match the body? Either way, you can't go wrong. Looks awesome. But now let's move to the interior of the car so I can show you what we did there. So this Model 3 actually came originally with a white interior, and the customer had a completely different vision. So as you can see, the dash decor now is our matte carbon fiber trim panel. It's real carbon fiber, and that covered up the white trim that the car came with. But then he elected to go ahead and go with our wood steering wheel. Super cool, different. I mean, we've never done that before. Typically, we would match the dash with the steering wheel, but this customer had a different vision and wanted actually a wood steering wheel and the carbon fiber dash. And then we went really sporty. So we reupholstered the seats front and rear, as you could see, using our red leather with our diamond quilted pattern insert. Very sporty, but here's the first for us ever. We've actually reupholstered the door panel inserts as well, matching that diamond quilted inserts of the seats. Very sporty, super cool. Went from there, 2 more steps forward. Our custom floor mats, extra plush, extra thick, and they have our T Sportline logo in red. And then we went ahead and replaced the pedals that came with this car. Again, since it was a non-performance car, the accelerator and the brake pedal are like this kind of rubber plastic. Now it has our aluminum sports pedals. It's a very nice accessory, super affordable. A lot's been done to this car and a lot of firsts for us. I'd love to hear some comments from you. What do you think about the interior design? What do you guys think about the wheels? Your opinion matters. I love the feedback. And thank you again so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.